Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Inventive Tech, a channel dedicated to new ultimate gadgets and innovations. If you have limited space in your home, then this video is definitely for you. In this video, I'm going to share 5 great space-saving furniture ideas which will take your place to another level. So, make sure you watch till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and I guarantee you will surely love this. Let's get started. Number 5. Calli Duo Sofa. Calli Duo Sofa is a transforming fold-away bunk bed system with a patented slatted bed base and sofa which transforms into a nighttime version with a simple movement. The backrest cushions are removed, and as the lower bed is opened, the sofa tilts backwards and slots in underneath the bed. It features a locking ladder, concealed pistons, and a patented soft open-close mechanism and a tilting upper bunk that allows bedding to be easily changed. There is also a padded folding headboard on the lower bunk and a padded upper safety barrier and additional storage compartment on the top bunk. Number 4. The Ori Pocket Closet. The Ori Pocket Closet creates an on-demand walk-in closet wherever it is placed. This robotic furniture unit expands to reveal plenty of storage space and shrinks when you want it to free up living space with the touch of a button. When expanded, there are sufficient enough shelves for clothes, shoes, and other accessories. One can operate the Ori Pocket Closet with the on-demand control panel, through the companion mobile app, or voice commands to Google Home or Amazon Alexa. It even has built-in lighting, USB ports and outlets, a drop-down desk, and a TV nook. Transforming on demand, it is the modern tech-infused furniture piece that provides a glimpse into future living. It is indeed a perfect furniture solution for people living in cramped apartments. Number 3. FlexiA Stool. FlexiA stools are folding stools that are amazingly compact at only 1.5 inches deep but can support up to 400 pounds of weight. It comes with soft padded seat tops that can be set up easily with Velcro pieces to join the ends together. FlexiA stools are built with expandable paper and they include soft padded seat tops in each pack. They are wonderful quick extra seating options for any event. The fact it can be folded and easily carried from place to place makes it uniquely different. Number 2. Tesla Connect. Tesla Connect connects home with quality of life. Tesla Connect consists of a box with a universal smart home interface and the Tesla app, with which the kitchen and many other devices can be remotely controlled via smartphone. Using your smartphone, you can raise and lower the modular pieces until they fit your height. There are also buttons integrated into them so you don't have to fumble for your phone every time. Press the cupboards and the doors open sort of like a DeLorean's. To make it truly connected and smart, the company is working on integrating it with other products filled with sensors and appliances. Ideally, you'd be able to play your music on demand, get warnings when something is burning or when your food is about to burn, and also have safety features built in, like a floor that sends an alert to paramedics if you fall and seriously injure yourself. Number 1. Rosacea Air roof windows. Have you ever wished that there was a balcony at your house so that you could enjoy a nice view outdoors? While some people get the luxury of having one, others don't have a balcony in their home. Well, Rosacea Air has a solution. Rosacea Air simply transforms your roof windows. With one simple push, the window transforms into a balcony for you to enjoy the outdoor view in seconds. Aside from roof windows that transform into balconies, Rosacea Air also makes other products on roof windows, such as solar panel harvesting roof windows and flat roof windows to deliver natural lighting to your home. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Let me know by commenting below which furniture you like the most. If you want to buy any of this furniture, then the links are in my description. That's all for today. If you like this video, then support us by sharing with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.